Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me on an email today, what's the difference between the transparency tool and the interactive fill tool? Not much, but it does something different. So when you want to use one, you've got to have the item picked when you go pick it. We're going to pick the transparency tool, and we're going to go from about that edge to that edge. Okay. Now we're going to click off of it and click this one and get the interactive fill tool. And we're going to go from that edge to that edge. Looks kind of the same. I'm going to take the background, the highlight or the outliner away. They look the same, but they're not. So if you take your yellow box, go to Object, Order, back a page, and I'm going to put Do Not Show Me that again. You can see that the transparency tool has actually made it transparent, where it's kind of blended into nothing. Where the interactive fill tool, the color is still there, it's just white. So they look identical like that, but they're not. Just a little bit more, let's go a little bit further, and let's take the interactive fill tool and click on this. When we get the same, you can change where it goes and how much it goes by this handle. If you go at a right angle, it's going to do the top. If you do the left angle, it's going to do the top. But if you go straight down, it messes it up completely. So you can play around with that quite a bit. You can go this way. You can change it a lot. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.